Alright guys, welcome back. We are out here at the creek. Water conditions have not improved, guys. If anything, they've gotten worse. This water is super low and just nothing seems to work. I just made a fluke video, so let's go ahead and do another tube video this time, guys. Alright, I'm gonna use this tube today. This is just a small little bitty guy right here. It's like 2.5, maybe 3-inch tube. I've got it on a owner stupid tube hook. I'm running it on 10-pound braid, guys, and we're gonna bust some smallmouth in here today with it, I bet you. All right, guys, let's get in here. Let's give it a shot, see what happens. I think something picked it up. I can't get my slack reeled in for nothing. Yeah, something's got it. Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. Easy, buddy. Easy, easy. That's a good start right there, guys. We got beautiful 15 or 16 here. Oh, definitely 15 or 16. That's gorgeous right there. Right on the tube. Yeah, just right there where we want them at. All right, let's get him on up out of here. You're a good looking fish, buddy. Let's get your dorsal fin up out of there. And I'm gonna go ahead and get his picture. Let him get all nice and washed and cleaned up. All right, buddy, let you go here in a second. We're gonna clean you up first, all right? All right, guys, that's one down. Let's see if we can find another one up in there. Ah, missed him. Got him. It's a feisty fish. Must be a rock bass or something. No, just a young smallmouth. He is angry. All right, buddy. Let's get you on up out of here. There we go, guys. Little bitty one, man, but he wanted some. See you later, bro. All right. Yeah. Let's try back up in there again. See if we can find something else up there before we move up. Guys, when the water's super low and clear like this, you gotta be really quiet. You're gonna move slowly. You want to pay attention out in front of you as much as you can. See if you can't spot any bass swimming around. I think I see one, so I'm gonna try for him. He's right out here in front of me. I can't tell if that's smallmouth or if it's sucker fish, but we're gonna bring this tube right through here and see if we can't get something to eat it. That's a big smallmouth right there in front of me. I see that one. He's heading for the tree. We've definitely got a big one right here in front of us. I know he had to have gone for the tree here. I saw him swim across and just kind of go this way. So I was trying to be calm and quiet as I could there. Hopefully he doesn't realize I'm over here, but he probably actually already does realize I'm over here, and that's why he was going for that tree. I got some good ones coming. See him sitting right there. I'm gonna stay completely still. Let them take this line they're working. Got him. Watch him come down there through there and just waited for him, guys. It's a good one. That is a good one. Just wait for him, guys. Just wait for him. It's a game of patience when it comes to this late summer fishing like this, man. It is a game of patience. That's not bad. I bet he's almost 15 inches, maybe even longer. He's pretty good. All right, we're gonna get him up out of here, see if we can't find another one in here. All right, see you later, little guy. Too fun.
I ain't never felt the kind of love like this before. You took all the worries from my mind. Darling, please forgive me if I stay a little more.
All right, guys, another decent one. That was a really cool catch right there. So what was going on was I was seeing the bass go from side to side from where I was at and then out into the deeper hole. So what I did is I waited for them to come out from underneath the tree. I waited for them to cross over. I threw my bait out there, parked it in front of the tree, and then I just waited for the bass to approach where my bait was at. I gave it a couple little pops. It spooked one of them, but it enticed the other one, and he went for it, and I got him. Always try to be methodic, guys, with what you're trying to do out here, you know? Don't just always walk around and throw baits in the water. Sometimes you need to walk real quiet, real calm, and you need to look for the fish, and you need to watch the fish and see what they're doing, and then try to intercept them. You know, that's kind of like the same strategy I use for deer hunting. I like to set up in between a food plot and a bed plot, right? So you get in between where the fish are moving, then maybe you get lucky and you pop one in between there. All right, guys, stick around.
Please don't be afraid of all the things that could go wrong. That we can take our time, and we may change our mind. But I can tell a good thing when a good thing comes along.
Got that one. That's a good one. Yeah, maybe not. He's not bad though. He's not bad at all. He's a healthy one. There we go, guys. Another one for the day. He's not bad. Good looking little booger. Let's get him on up out of here, and let's see if we can't pop one more off that tree. I don't know if this was the same fish or not. Might have been, may not have been. There we go. There we go, guys. Camera jacked up there towards the end of that catch, so I don't even know if I got it all on there, but he was a feisty one, guys. Let's get him up out of here. I think it's about time to call it a day. Camera's really starting to get hot. Well, folks, that's a wrap on another episode. I want to thank you guys for sticking it out and watching it. It's been a very long video. Seems like I get a lot more watch time whenever I make longer videos, but sometimes, guys, the action just ain't there. I don't want to put a bunch of empty casts in front of you guys. I try to just use what casts actually land a fish, right? Or lose a fish, you know, if it's something significant to the video. I don't want you guys thinking that I come out here and just hammer fish and then make a video. You know, I've been fishing probably about 4 or 5 times this week, and I have lost fish after fish after fish, no content. And I tell you what, it's been difficult. I've been in a top water competition, and that's all I've been using. So today I decided just to take it easy, take a tube out here, see if I can catch anything, guys, and I'd be dang, I caught me a nice 3 fish or so, a couple small ones, but I'm pretty happy with it, guys. All right, see you on the next episode, guys.